Hey everybody, it's Bill. It's about 6:48 in the morning. I just entered short on the euro right here. The reason for it was HLB fired off right at pivot lines. Next bar went red. So we'll see how it works out. I'll be back at you in a little bit. Give you an update later. Alright, this trade is appearing to be going in our favor, but I am not going to take any chances and going to move up my stop to break even, hopefully. Alright, so that's where we're at, and we'll just let it run. So, worst case, we cover our expenses. Best case, we do better. Bye. Okay, what I'm going to do here is I'm going to trail my stops. So I'm going to move my stop down to the close of the previous bar and the open of the current, or the open slash the close of the bar I entered on, the open of the bar of the previous bar, and then that way at least I lock in a few $100 here if it pulls back on me, and if it doesn't, then we just let it run. Our target here is the just short of the lower pivot line, so we'll see if we get there or not. Okay, going back to pause. Alright, so let's review here. This trade worked out nicely for us. We ended up with nice profit here. So just I want to review why we did it. HLB fired off here like a little bit before 7 a.m. And it fired right into pivot lines. So I think I'm gonna call these things HLB pivots, because profit pivots hard to spin off my tongue. So HLB pivot lines, HLB signal fired into HLB pivot lines, much higher likelihood of it going down than up. We entered on the next bar once it painted red, and our profit target was the lower HLB pivot line, where we exited. So the only thing that we did was I adjusted the stop here down to the close of that bar after the next bar painted, to preserve some profit should we get stopped out, rather than just leaving it at break even. And then we just let it run. I just returned from dropping off my son, so it actually got stopped out while I was driving when it took out the profit limit order. So I think I'm done for the morning. That's a nice profit for a day as work, and I'm not going to push my luck and be greedy, because that's what trips up a lot of people. They make some money, and then they get the big green monster bites them on the behind, and they just keep trading, and eventually they trade away everything that they've made prior to that. So it's a demon you have to overcome. Anyway, that's it for now. Good day of trading, good way to start out on Monday, and I will see you again tomorrow with another trade update. Okay, later, bye.